All right, here we go. By Cantos 5, Miss Katie, 5 and 6, we're actually ready for hell. What do you want to tell us about 5 and 6? Cantos 5 and 6.
5 is where all the adulterers go. And 6 is...
What are adulterers? That's a funny word.
They're cheating on everybody.
Yes, that is to say they mess around. They hanky-panky. In the history of the world, notice, interestingly, Dante puts right in the very first major level of hell, he's going to put these people who engage in sinful intercourse. Adultery is messing around with another man's husband or wife. That's kind of a form of, what's at the center? Yeah, kind of a form of betrayal. But what's different about it? What's different about the adultery?
Passion.
It's a crime of passion, isn't it? It's like, okay, I kind of lost my head for a little bit and I made a mistake or whatever. What about circle 6, Miss Katie? Who gets stuck there? This is an interesting one. Who ends up in circle 6 of Dante's Inferno? Some of you will find this one of those first moments when you go, really? You're going to put that there? What are these people at circle 6? What are they there for?
You mean circle 6 or cantos?
I'm sorry, Canto 6. I apologize. Canto 6. It's actually circle 3, right?
Yeah.
What are you going to do? What are you putting in circle 3? Who do you put there? Your little list here calls them the gluttonous. What's the gluttonous? Who gets stuck in circle 3? Who are these people?
They took advantage of God's gifts and stuff.
Yes. Keep going. What's their sin? What did they do? And what's their punishment? By the way, if you don't know answers to questions like this, you're not ready for the exam. All right. What do they do? And what is their punishment? Miss Sin?
Isn't it like their sin is like greed?
Greed.
For which one?
We're in circle 3. We're in circle 3.
Punishment is they lie and trash.
Yeah.
Mud and trash, like a dump.
Yeah. In other words, they were always about their own appetites. They ate too many Big Macs. Dante will put people who overeat in hell.
I don't think that it's really that they overeat, it's the fact that they overeat and that gets in the way of them.
Yes, that's right. So it's not just necessarily that they commit the act. Let's point this out because Ms. Eves points out something really important. It's not just the act of overindulgence. It's the act of how that keeps them from really trying to become spiritually pure people, right? And they're unrepentant about this. And Dante puts them in hell. In other words, they're undisciplined, we might say. Right?
Well, and his way, kind of, I guess, how he finds that discipline is because these people, he compares them, eating this food, and then he makes it happen to them by having the dog service, tear at them while they're laying in this garden.
Right. Notice the relationship here. The dogs of desire gnaw away at the person in hell who has no discipline. In life, had no discipline. In the afterlife, eaten away by the dogs of desire. Dogs of hell. So, circle 4. This is interesting. The avaricious or the greedy. What happens in circle 4 and what's their punishment? I don't understand. They got to push around huge rocks. Come back and we'll ask that one again. When you come back tomorrow, make sure that you're ready to answer questions specific to punishment as it fits the crime.